Sounds like he's snoring. It's like,
Oh yeah.
I'd just take him over so we could laugh.
Yeah. Exactly.
And he's cute. Better be a good one. That was a good one.
Yes.
You ready? Yeah.